and your followers. I'm Dr. Kuntal Soni from Aura Dental, committed for world-class smiling solutions. A beautiful smile not only improves your look, it also improves your self-esteem and confidence. In the past, beautiful smile was limited to Hollywoods and Bollywoods due to its high cost. But with the changing time, it is within the reach of common man. At Aura Dental, with latest technology and materials like digital dental photography, smile design, final treatment visualization, smile test drive, materials like lithium disilicate, zirconium, and bonding technology, we add value to patients' life with beautiful smile. Presenting to our valued patient, your guide to cosmetic dental treatment, everything you wanted to know.
Vision, mission, quality policy. Why cosmetic treatment? Do you avoid socializing due to poor smile? Is poor smile hindrance for marriage? Do you wish to join professions like media, marketing, sales, modeling, acting? Are you not happy with your smile? Cannot smile freely and want a better smile? If you are having above problems, cosmetic dentistry can transform your personal and professional life by giving you a beautiful smile. Technology at Aura Dental for cosmetic treatment. First, smile test drive. At times, patients are reluctant for cosmetic treatment as they are not sure about the final outcome. To overcome this problem, at Aura Dental, we follow a special process known as smile test drive and final treatment visualization, which involves wax and composite mock-ups. Final outcome of the treatment is crafted using a special technique. CAD-CAM temporary, provisional teeth made using CAD-CAM acrylic which patients can wear, feel and experience a smile before final treatment. If any change is required, it can be done at this stage. This improves patients' confidence for the cosmetic treatment. Digital smiling solutions, smile design and makeover. Digital dental photography is done using a special camera and elements of beauty and smile evaluated. Then, cosmetic treatment are planned using computers to transform your smile you want. Second technology, bonded porcelain restorations like inlays, onlays and veneers which require minimum tooth cutting and fixed to teeth using a bonding technology. Bonded porcelain restorations versus conventional PFM restoration. Bonded porcelain restorations like inlay, onlay and veneers are lifelike. They match well with the adjacent natural teeth, blends with gums so do not have black margin, requires minimum tooth cutting, fixed to teeth using bonding technology, using latest resin bonding materials instead of cementation technique. Conventional PFM crowns have limitations like black line near the gums are visible, looks opaque due to metal backing. PFM crowns are not lifelike. They do not match well with the adjacent natural teeth, require significant tooth cutting. They are fixed using conventional cementation method. At Aura Dental, you can have following solutions for your cosmetic problems. First, bleaching. Fast, simple, non-invasive cosmetic procedure to brighten your smile. Special materials are applied on teeth at cleaning known as office bleach or at home with special tray known as home bleach to remove stains and brighten your smile. Second, cleaning and polishing. External stains like tea, coffee, tobacco can be removed with this treatment. Third, enamel microabrasion. Mild internal stains can be removed with a special abrasive paste followed by polishing. Fourth, bonding. Composite material of tooth colored are bonded on the tooth for broken teeth, to fill gap between the teeth, and for dark spots. Fifth, veneer and laminates. Thin layer of composite or ceramic are bonded on teeth to remove internal stains, mild irregularities, or to change shape or color of the tooth, and it gives you a desired smile. Sixth, metal-free crowns. Crowns with translucent backing known as zirconia and lithium disilicate. It's lifelike, match with natural teeth, do not differentiate in different light, used to replace missing teeth, to remove minor irregularity and malalignments. Seventh, orthodontic treatment. Severe malaligned teeth are treated with braces to make them straight and improve smile. For different cosmetic problems, one can have different smiling solutions. Front teeth with gap can be treated with composite bonding, crowns, veneers. Orthodontic treatment. Broken tooth can be treated with composite bonding, veneers, crowns. Teeth with tobacco stain can be treated with composite bonding. Teeth with fluoride stains can be treated with zirconia crowns. Teeth with stains due to aging can be treated with composite veneers. Teeth with non-vital black color can be treated with internal bleaching. Teeth with hypoplastic white lines can be treated with Emax crowns. Teeth with white spots can be treated with enamel microabrasion. If you are unhappy with missing teeth, you can replace it with either implant or bridges. If you are unhappy with your smile due to old crowns, it can be treated with zirconia crowns. If you are unhappy with your smile, it can be treated with smile makeover. If you are unhappy with your aged look, it can be treated with smile makeover. If you are unhappy with your smile due to irregular teeth, it can be treated with orthodontic treatment. Get sparkling smile before special occasions like marriage, special date, Navratri, interview, with bleaching, with tooth jewelry, with cosmetic recontouring. Cosmetic treatment process at Aura Dental Care. Step 1. Clinical examination. Step 2. Dental charts and study models. Step 3. Digital dental photography. Step 4. Smile design. Step 5. Smile test drive. Step 6. Testing for smile parameters. Step 7. Final bonding. Instructions before and after cosmetic treatment. Payment modes and methods at Aura Dental Care. Risk and complications involved with cosmetic treatment. Home care and maintenance. Yearly checkup and cleaning. Do clean around crowns, veneers, bonding using floss, super floss, interdental brush and water pick. Luster of composites becomes dull after few years. Do have follow-up polishing visit. Margins may be open due to gum recession, which may require bonding after a couple of years. Thank you.
cosmetic patients are not high profile. Many of my patients are common people like farmers, housewives, working women, senior citizens in their 70s, young adults to be married. Sometimes, due to lack of awareness of the options available, people don't get the smile they want. With our vast experience, latest technology and material, Aura Dental is a reliable place to get a beautiful smile. For any queries related to your cosmetic problems, do call or schedule a virtual consultation. Come with your cosmetic problems and we have smiling solutions for you. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.